Hello, my name is Crystal. I'm an expert as a service consultant, and in this video, I will talk about how to change the default settings for thresholds. This is part of the QRC update for Q3 of 2023. So now users will be able to configure the default set of thresholds for theme preferences in the optimized experience. Let me go to a story to show you how you can do this. I will select edit mode, then I will go under more, then theme, then I will select to edit the preferences, then I will select the threshold option, and here you can see all the default threshold states. And for this example, I will change the symbol of the states. For example, I will select this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then I will save this as a new theme. Now I will click OK. You can verify if the theme was selected under more, then go and select theme, and then here you can see that the last theme that we created is already selected. So now when you create a new threshold, you will see all the options that we already selected in the preferences. I will go to a table, then I will open the builder, I will create a new threshold, and here you can see that the symbol that we already set as default is already here, and also the same symbol was added for the other states. So to do a quick review, I showed you that now users will be able to configure the default set of thresholds in the optimized experience. Thank you very much for watching this video.